Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Bluetooth headset to your PlayStation 5. First, it's important to understand that the PlayStation 5 does not natively support standard Bluetooth audio headsets directly. To bridge this gap, you'll typically need a USB Bluetooth adapter. Before we dive into the connection process, make sure your wireless headset is fully charged and in its pairing mode, ready to be discovered. Now, let's talk about the adapter. You'll need to select a USB Bluetooth adapter specifically designed for audio transmission. Once you have your adapter, simply plug it into any available USB port on your PlayStation 5. The console offers 2 USB ports on the front and 2 more on the back, giving you several convenient options for placement. With the adapter securely plugged in, it's time to pair your headset. First, ensure your Bluetooth headset is in its pairing mode, often indicated by a flashing light. Next, press the pairing button on your USB Bluetooth adapter. This action initiates the search for nearby Bluetooth devices. The adapter usually has an indicator light that will flash rapidly during the pairing process and then turn solid once a connection is established. Finally, let's fine-tune your audio settings. On your PlayStation 5, go to the main settings menu, then navigate to Sound. From there, select Output Device and choose your newly connected USB headset from the list. You can then adjust the volume levels to your preference and explore other audio options to optimize your gaming experience. Enjoy your wireless audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.